What the heck is up, y'all? This is Rocky Top Off-Road back here. How the heck are y'all doing? So, before we get started, I just want to thank y'all so freaking much for... We're at like 423 subscribers. I just want to thank y'all so much for that. And, so let's try to get to the 500 now. I sure appreciate it, y'all. So, let's get to it. Thank y'all again. Alright. So, I'm back here on the tractor today, and, I just got off the tractor. I've been doing a little plowing or bush hogging, and, so we got our, y'all remember the trucking company I started a few months ago? So, it's kind of a hot shot company now. Got this Dodge truck. We're delivering a brand new KTM 250 XC. So, it's about a 3-hour drive, I think. It's a pretty good drive, but it's still about 7 o'clock in the morning, so we got plenty of time. Rolling Coal Trucking LLC. Got the company fixed up. Got the new farm out here. Finally, we moved out of that city. We did a lot of hauling, but... And I do still have that old truck, but that's just it to drive. Y'all know my drive. Alright. Make sure nobody's coming. That's right. But yeah, it's a 2022 Dodge Cummins 4500. It's a power truck. I actually did order it with a 6-speed manual in it. Man, this truck's a dream for hauling. I hope nobody saw that. No cop, no stop. Let's roll. I got to ride this KTM. I don't know if I was supposed to or not, but I went and picked it up last night, and I was just going to deliver it today, but I took it over to the track and ripped. It's fun. It's a quick little bike. So, let's see. Let me check the GPS. So we need to take a left. Yeah, we need to take a left. So I'm going to ease on that way, and I'll see y'all soon. Alright, y'all, so we just got here. It's down here by the lake, but I think he does like a lot of enduro stuff, trail riding stuff, and he had a race this weekend and didn't have a chance to go pick it up, so we're hauling it down here for him. So it's right around this corner, I think. Well, it's a little drive away, but gonna keep rolling on. I might have to tweak with the program on, I know it's stick shift, but I might have to tweak with the gear a little bit because it's a high gear. It's going 40 or 50 in second gear, not running 2 high RPMs. We'll see. I think it's right up here. Me and my buddies have brought the boats down here before. It's been a while, but... Yeah, I think it's right across this little bridge right here. Let's see. Yeah, this is it. And pull up in here. Or should I back in? I don't know. I may. Yeah, I'm just gonna jump on the bike real quick and unload it for him. Alright, y'all. Here's the KTM. Let's give it a little test running off the side of the trailer. Nah, I'm kidding. I don't want to do that to a new bike. That's not mine anyway. There we go. Look at that. You gonna hop up here? Oh yeah, like a dream. Oh, this is a good looking bike. Let's see. I just talked to him on the phone. He said I think you want us to just put it right over in here or something. Or maybe it... Yeah, right there would be good. Let me go talk to him real quick, tell him it's here, and make sure everything's good with it. See, that's got the repair pack and everything on it. Dang, I like that bike. I might have to get one of them for myself. Let me talk to him real quick. Yes, sir. Alright. Yes, sir, I appreciate it. You have a good one. Alright, y'all, so let's jump in the truck and head back to the hills. Oh, frick. Better connect the freaking trailer. Alright. See if I can get turned around here. We had the custom trucking company. I just think this with the 1 ton or the 1.5 ton truck, and I think the setup we got now is gonna do a lot better and make us more money too. So that's my thought. I don't know. Y'all let me know what you think in the comments. But I'm gonna head on back to Kentucky. I hope y'all have a great day. Bye for now.